You can easily make your roof watertight with Ubiflex Finio. This innovative roof flashing has two butyl strips, which stick to the surface and ensure a long-term adhesion. You'll see a grid of 5 by 5 cm on the foil. This makes it easy to measure how much Ubiflex Finio you need to cut. You can cut Ubiflex Finio easily to size with a sharp knife or with Ubiflex scissors. When installing Ubiflex Finio, always start with the top. Remove half of the foil and then lay it carefully onto the surface. Press it firmly with your hands so that it sticks to the surface. Ubiflex Finio is made of polysobutylene and an aluminium mesh. This makes it a flexible and stretchable product. Just press it firmly with your hands onto the surface. Use a roller to make a smooth and tight finish. The connection between Ubiflex Finio and the surface is now watertight. A feature of the butyl strip is that it immediately sticks to the surface and waterproofs the connection. That's how to waterproof a roof very easily and quickly.